Good morning, student. Welcome back to our online education. Last year we tried to learn. Actually, not tried. We have done a we have completed our whole syllabus using this online education method. This year also, our respected Varsha Gaikwad ma'am, our education minister, she has declared that this year also we have to follow the same method. Means this year also we have to study our syllabus, our whatever texts are there, whatever lessons are there. At least our school is going to start step by step physically, but till then we have to follow this method of online education. Okay, so now from tomorrow onwards we will start our syllabus, actual syllabus. Now those who were in third, actually this is what happened when you was in third. At that time lockdown happened, and because of that you could not attend your school for the year of fourth standard. And now those students who were in third, they are now in fifth, because last year it was their fourth. Many of the students, they attended the online classes also, and some of the students were there who could not attend the class because of many reasons. Just like there was network problem, there may be a problem of the smartphones, etc. But most of the times we have seen that many students, they try to attend the classes, maybe on the Zoom, or maybe we were sending the link on YouTube, and they followed that link and they viewed the videos that were sent by us. Okay, so this year also we have to follow the same method for our higher classes. From our 5th to 10th standard, we are going to follow the method of Zoom meeting. Okay, every day we will send you a link. You have to join that link. In a couple of days, Ghale ma'am will make a timetable, and according to that timetable, we will send the timetable on every group. And according to that timetable, we will arrange your Zoom meetings. And for your all subject, those which are main subject like history, geography, Hindi, Marathi, English, science and maths. Maybe alternative days, but it will be like a school only. Okay. So we will send you from 5th onwards, there will be Zoom meeting. We will send you the link. You have to join the link and you can ask your doubts. We will teach you during that time. You can ask your doubts, or you can even any concept if it is not clear, you can ask us during that session, during that Zoom meeting. Okay, for that purpose, I think most of the parents, they have downloaded this Zoom app, and when we send the Zoom link, you have to join it. Okay, and for lower classes, means from 1st to 4th standard, these students, they are quite small, they cannot handle it properly, and that is why we have decided that for lower classes we will send you a YouTube link. Okay, so you have to join that link, and then you can see. Suppose I send you a link of science, so you can open it and see the science chapter that I have taught you. If there is link of Marathi, you can open that link and you can see how your Marathi teacher, she is teaching you, what lesson she is teaching, what work she has given. So you have to do the homework also. Understand? You have to do the homework also. You have to go through the videos and try to understand it. For that purpose, you should purchase the books also. Okay, you have to purchase the books as per your class. Suppose last year you was in 4th standard, now you will be in 5th standard. Suppose last year you was in 1st standard, now you have to buy the books of 2nd standard. Okay, in this way, some books are available in the school also. We will send its price and list on your every group. And those books, the textbooks, they are not available actually in school. So you have to take those textbooks from the market, and we will give you CBSE books. CBSE books of 5th to 9th standard CBSE books we will give you in the school, and remaining textbooks you have to purchase from the market. Okay, if you have the books, you can go through the lesson. if you have the book, you can at least read what is there in the lesson and you can understand it. Whenever we teach you, you should open your books and sit with your textbook so that you can understand what the teacher is teaching. Okay, so this will be our schedule. A proper timetable you will get it in a couple of days, in 1 or 2 days. Ma'am will send you or I will send you. So I am going to teach you science. Okay, for higher classes and for lower classes also. I teach environmental studies for 3rd, 4th and 5th standard, and 6 onwards I take your general science or regular science, whatever it is called. Because some books they are titled as general science and some books they are given as regular science or just science it is given. So I am going to teach you science for this year also. I am going to teach you our both science, CBSE science. We have both science, CBSE science as well as state board science. So I am going to take your CBSE science as well as your regular science or the state board science. If you want to buy the books, you have to visit the school, ask your parents to make your admission in a school, and then you can take your textbooks, and in this way we can continue with this. Okay, so let's hope that our school will start physically very soon. Till then we will follow this method. Okay, so I hope from tomorrow you will join the Zoom meeting and you will see the for those who have the Zoom meeting link, they can join that link, and those who are in lower classes, they should see that YouTube videos so that you can understand what are the topics, etc. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow very soon. Okay, so take care, and everyone should try to join the meeting as well as go through the videos. Okay, take care. Have a good day. Bye.